Good morning, everybody, and welcome to What's Hot on the Open, taking a look at all the action here in the U.S. markets. We've already seen Asia overnight down in the red. We've seen right now Europe is in the red, and here in the States we're in the red. My name is Joseph Cusick with the Cusick Group. Securities offered by MoneyBlock here to offer you your MarketStream.live update. Now, taking a look at the markets, they are opening up in the red. We have a really mixed market right now. As a matter of fact, what's very interesting is we actually not only see all the securities indices down, but we're also seeing the 30-year bond down about 5 ticks at 150. We also have just slightly, basically flat, the 10-year at 124. Taking a look at the Dow Jones futures, the Dow Jones Industrial is down 82 points at 19,930. The Russell 2000 futures are down 15 at $1,352.80. We're seeing that the NASDAQ futures are down 27 and a quarter at $5,135 even. And finally, we take a look at the S&Ps, down 11 at 2277.75. Dollar strength has returned after being weak most of overnight session. Bounce back, it's now at $100.75, up 22 cents. The crude contract is now trading in the red. It's trading at $52.96, below the $53 mark, down 21 cents. Now, some of the names that are gapping up and down, let's take a look at the ones that are gapping up. And we want to take a look at the names that are gapping up on earnings and guidance. IPG Phonics, it's IPGP is up 4.2%. This is a group that's big into lasers. Bank of California, ticker symbol BANC, up 3.7%. I want to watch these regional banks. They have solid guidance, good earnings, especially with the housing market in flux right now. We're going to watch these little regional banks to see if they start picking up in their activities, specifically along small businesses, and we're going to watch the mortgage components of that. Alliance Resource Partners popping up. This is a coal name, so we're going to, again, watch these names that are going to be potentially impacted by Trump administration policies. A strong earnings, strong guidance, basically located in the Midwest. ARLP up 2.7%. Now, what's gapping down in reaction to some earnings guidance is Sony Corp. SNE is down 3.3%. Basically announced that their pictures unit, their movie unit, is going to record an impairment charge of basically about 112 billion yen. And that's going to be a significant charge. That has the stock down 3.3%. You're also seeing some financials on the move. Now, these are mostly foreign financials. We talked about RBS. RBS, Royal Bank of Scotland, down 1.4%. We spoke about that when we were talking on the open in Europe at 8:45 Eastern Time. We also talked about Deutsche Bank. DB down 2.9% in Germany. Started the session off as one of the laggards and starting to pick up. You're also seeing Banco Santander. This is a Spanish bank. SAN is down 2% right now. We're going to watch these very closely with the strength in the dollar, also the uncertainty with how the Trump policies as far as trade are going to be concerned is going to impact it. And also, is growth really moving? And it's being questioned right now in Europe. And so we're going to watch this. Also, what's on the move to the downside is select metals and mining stocks. You're seeing Mattel. We talked about that. That is down about 2.1%. We talked about that when we were referring to France and the CAC. AKS Steel is down 2.1%. Rio Tinto is down 2%. BHP is down 1.6%, and you have U.S. Steel down 1.4%. Again, while these infrastructure projects and so forth are coming in, some of these, especially some of these foreign metals, especially base metals shops, could be under some scrutiny. And we also don't know what's going to happen with the Keystone Pipeline. I know that the president has said that he is going to fast track a lot of these different initiatives, but we're going to see if there's more pushback. Finally, the travel ban. We saw over the weekend that it was put into place. 7 Muslim countries basically, until they get a new process in place, they are banning people, and there's some extreme vetting. That really impacted initially intercontinental hotels, IHG down 2%. Also, Delta. Now, this is just a coincidence at this juncture because we had this occur at United last week, UAL, but Delta, DAL, is down 1.9%, basically after an overnight IT system failure. Sunday, the systems were down. There was a ton of backups, which didn't help the situation that you're also having backups as far as international flights with basically vetting anybody coming from a Muslim country. So it is a lot of potential volatility now. And you're seeing that these policies are being put in place. They are being now pushed, and the markets are reacting very mixed at this juncture. So we're going to keep an eye on this all day here at MarketStream.live. Join us at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I'm going to give you an update on everything that is going on in the markets today here at MarketStream.live. See you then.